you keep it natural. Stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between is all you two turned up. Never turn down though, when there's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you've been looking, won't find it like this. Know you've been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this.
So guys, we're now driving here in Bohol, and as you can see, we've been driving the Corolla Altis GRS for quite a while, being the hybrid version na pala, by the way. And I have here in Trabaho for this trip. Gagala lang kami ng Bohol with the Corolla Cross Altis. So we're going around Bohol with the Corolla Altis hybrid ngayon, and
good job.
And then ayun, so we're gonna explore Chocolate Hills and everything that
Bohol has to offer.
Mag-off-road kami with the Altis. Dali namin sa ibaba ng Chocolate Hills.
the ATV, no?
Anytime, I just wanna see you cross the finish line. Feeling like Jimmy, I give you this Johnson. Know you like filming that content. All in your bank and I never pull out. I just like making deposits. Yeah, you keep it natural. Stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between is all you two turned up. Never turn down though, when there's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you've been looking, won't find it like this. Know you've been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this.
So this is the new Toyota this is the new Toyota Zenix, but you're gonna see later the badge sa likod, it's Innova Zenix. Pero yun nga, Toyota Motor Philippines wants us to call this just the Zenix because this will be sold alongside the Toyota Innova. And there's a reason for that because it's a completely different car from the Innova because of its front-wheel drive architecture, the TNGA-C platform, which really transforms the entire car to be almost like a completely different nameplate altogether. So, as you can see, yung kanyang slim LED headlights, yung kanyang large grille, LED daytime running lights here sa baba ng kanyang headlights. It's a really, very sleek car compared to the previous generation, or rather the Innova. Then down the side, you can see yung kanyang body cladding and sleek character lines dito. So, it really also adds a more modern appearance sa side profile na with the 18-inch wheels in this new hybrid variant. And of course, you have the hybrid badge here, which indicates that this is, of course, a hybrid MPV or crossover at this point. So down the back, you can see it's very upright tailgate. Then, speaking of the tailgate, it's powered operated, by the way. Then LED taillights sa likod. So, yeah, in terms of how it looks overall, I think, of course, it's a subjective to talk about the looks. But for me, it really looks transformative. It really looks modern. It really looks sleek. Yeah, I think it's a good time for us now then to migrate to the interior of the Toyota Zenix. So moving here inside the new Toyota Zenix, you're gonna see that it's really completely different from the Innova, which this doesn't replace. Let's take note of that part lang. As you're gonna see, there's plenty of brown soft touch materials here. You also have brown and black leather seating. So in terms of the tech front then as well, it's actually pretty good. So you have a 7-inch multi-information display here, or rather a partly digital instrument cluster. You also have a 9 or 10-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, single zone climate control here at the front. Then there's also a separate climate control dun sa second row. Then in terms of the safety tech, the Toyota Safety Sense part, so you have the full suite of advanced driver assistance tech such as automatic emergency braking, full speed adaptive cruise control, and basically the stuff that you would expect in a modern car nowadays. So you're gonna see also American power adjustable front seats, and tilt and telescoping steering wheel, which there's plenty of adjustment. So, ang ganda ng driving position ko ngayon sa totoo lang. So, huge improvement on the driving position part as well. You also have a USB-C, USB-A port here in the center console. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I think, for the front part of the cabin. So, I think it's a good time to move to the best part, I think, of the Toyota Zenix. So, undeniably, the best part of the Toyota Zenix is its second row. So, at least for the Q hybrid variant, makita mo na you have two captain's chairs, individual captain's chairs with not just separation between the two seats, but you also have, of course, yung armrest. And the best part, of course, the piece de resistance, I think, of this car, meron kang ottomans or footrest sa kanyang captain's chairs, which is really impressive considering the price point of this vehicle. Yung it's power adjustable yung kanang footrest, yung pati rin yung kanang recline, it's also power adjustable. Of course, in terms of the legroom part, it's better maximized pag nandito ka sa right side with the front seat moved all the way forward. But apart from the amenities here at the second row, you also have yung kanang your own climate zone here sa baba. You also have 64 color, a multicolor ambient light here sa second row, and two USB fast charging ports. But apart from the impressive amenities of the second row, ang luwag din nung kanyang third row, as you're gonna see in a B-roll ngayon. Pero yun nga, grabe, because of the front-wheel drive architecture of the TNGAC platform, it has unlocked a boatload of room inside the Toyota Zenix. A lot more than the body-on-frame Toyota Innova. And yeah, as you can see, you also have a huge trunk because of the TNGAC platform with also a powered tailgate. So apart from its transformative looks, it's also worth talking about the car's drivetrain because of course, that's what we're all here for because of the hybrid powertrain and the available 2-liter gas engine. So as mentioned, or rather, as you've seen the teasers, there's no more diesel. It's really just a gas or a hybrid now at this point. It's a 2-liter gas in the case of the non-hybrid, and here in the hybrid, of course, it's the 2-liter gasoline engine that's made into an electric motor. So with all of this goodness that you've seen in the car, I'm pretty sure what you're thinking is ang mahal nung Innova Zenix sa totoo lang. But actually, in terms of pricing, which you're gonna see here, it's actually pretty good value.
So yeah, as for pricing, the Zenix hybrid you're seeing here will start at a little over 1.9 million pesos. On the other hand, the gas version will sell for 1,670,000 pesos. And this of course comes with a little less features, such as smaller 17-inch wheels, no LED daytime running lights, no rear footrests, fabric instead of leather upholstery, along with just a standard reverse camera and no Toyota safety sense. On the upside, even the 2.0V gas still gets a powered tailgate, second row captain's chairs, the 10.1-inch infotainment with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, smart entry with push-button start, electronic parking brake, and full LED exterior lighting. For the full specs, you can of course visit goflatoutph.com. The Innova diesel will still remain on sale, which means if you still prefer the Innova's body-on-frame construction, then at least you still have the option for that.